What is it?
Is this a bald bed? Who did this?
I don't know. Was it Phineas and Ferb and Mickey?
Maybe.
It probably was. Get up there. What are you waiting for?
This place is awesome.
All right. So, is there anything else around there? Is it?
What do you think, buddy?
Who did this?
Mickey?
I'm not sure.
All right, can you promise you're not going to fall off of this thing?
I'm not. It's this
I
bar.
don't think it's big enough for you.
What do you think, Ty?
It's awesome.
You break that.